Good morning, students. Today, the last equation or third equation, that is equation of position velocity, which is also known as v square is equal to u square plus 2as. We want to establish that equation, and for that we have already known that if a velocity time graph is there and we want to calculate the displacement, then we try to evolve the closed figure inside the graph, and we see that there is a trapezium O, A, B and C. This is the trapezium. So we finally calculate the area of the trapezium OA, BC, and we know that the formula of area of trapezium, that half sum of the sides into height. Sum of the side, one sum of the parallel side BC is there, and another one is a OA is here. So for sum of the side is here, and altitude is what? This is a trapezium, so this is a altitude. So OC is here. According to the figure, we put here all the value. We know that a displacement is written as S, so here it is S half. In place of BC, what is the value of BC? VC or EO? Both are represented V. So here is a V and OA. Where is your OA? It is initial velocity, and that is U. So plus U bracket and into the OC. OC is what? What is the value of OC? Time. T. So here is a T. So this is the value of according to the figure. But we want to establish that formula, so it is not completed here. Now what we do? We have already established the equation, first equation, V is equal to U plus AT. And from that equation, we calculate the value of T, where V minus U by A is equal to T. Why it so? Because we put the value of T here. Here in one, we put the value of T. So as we put the value of T, S is equal to half U, half V plus U, and in place of T, what we do? We put the value V minus U by A. And then what we do? We simply simplified, rearrange this. So what we do? V plus U and V minus U, and that 2 into A, 2A here, and what we next we simplified it. We do the cross multiplication here. You see that 2A into S, so 2S, and here is the equation of one identity is there, A plus B minus 1 minus B is equal to what? A square minus B square. So here A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So here is, you see the V square minus U square. And then again what we do? We arrange finally the equation according to the equation V is equal to U square plus 2AS. V is equal to U square plus 2AS, where we know that V is a final velocity, U is the initial velocity, A is the acceleration, and S is the displacement. So this is all about the equation, third equation, V square is equal to U square plus 2S. This is the very important, these three equation of motion while you solving the numericals. Now we give some tips regarding while you solve the numerical. You must remember this formula, what we already established. First, V is equal to U plus AT, and from that we can also say that V minus U by T is equal to A. So this is one formula. You can also write this formula. Now second formula is there, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, and third equation is there, S barabar, third equation V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, and where we know that A is acceleration, S is the displacement, U is the initial velocity, T is the time. Here all these things, V, U, A, these all are the same. Its SI unit is meter per second, because it is a velocity, it is also velocity, so it is meter per second. Acceleration SI unit is meter per second square. S is displacement or distance. Its SI unit is meter. So this is the important equation while you solving that on the numerical of the motions. So you must remember all this thing. But also you see that in numericals, sometime you got the 72 kilometer per hour, speed of 72 kilometer per hour. Then it is not SI unit. You put the SI unit of the velocity is meter per second. So you change all the numericals. When you remember a numerical, when you go through the numerical, you see that the data is given a different system. Some in MKS unit, some in FKS unit, FPN unit. So first you change all into MKS unit or SI unit. So 72 kilometer per hour change into meter. And what for that? But in a very shortest method, you can simply multiply by 5 by 18, then it change into the meter per seconds. अगर 15/18 से आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दो किलोमीटर में, तो ये मीटर पर सेकंड में चेंज हो जाता है. उसी तरह से अगर 20 मीटर पर सेकंड है और आप चाहते हो कि इसको किलोमीटर पर आवर में चेंज करें, तो सिंपल सा है, 20 को उलट दो और 18 इंटू 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, आपको क्या हो जाएगा, 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर हो जाएगा. ये चीज़ तो हम लोग जाने. इसके अलावा भी है क्वेश्चंस. अगर आप देखोगे तो क्वेश्चन जो आपके न्यूमेरिकल्स जो स्टार्ट होते हैं उसमें लिखा रहता है अ बॉडी स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम रेस्ट. अगर ऐसा लैंग्वेज लिखा हो, वर्ड लिखा हो, इसका मतलब है कि बॉडी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम रेस्ट, यानी शुरू में बॉडी रुका था, यानी कि यू जो होगा हमेशा वहां 0 होगा. यू कहीं दिया नहीं होगा. यू हम मान लेंगे बॉडी फ्रॉम स्टार्ट फ्रॉम रेस्ट मीन्स बॉडी जो है उसका इनिशियल वेलोसिटी क्या है, 0 है. और दूसरा जो है अ बॉडी कम्स टू रेस्ट. इट मीन्स क्या कि बॉडी पहले मूवमेंट में था, बट ड्यू टू द सम रिटार्डेशन इज देयर, सो इट बिकम्स इट स्टॉप फाइनली. इट मीन्स फाइनल वेलोसिटी क्या हो गया, 0 हो गया. और थर्ड जो है कि अगर अ बॉडी हैज यूनिफॉर्म मोशन तो क्या होगा, v और u दोनों इक्वल होगा. और इस केस में क्या होगा, आपका v माइनस यू बाई टी जो है वो a के बराबर होता है. और v और u, अगर v और u इक्वल है तो क्या हो जाएगा, फाइनली जो होगा a जो होगा आपका 0 होगा. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है जो कि आप न्यूमेरिकल बनाने के ड्यूरिंग में आपको जरूरत पड़ेगा. तो आप आज से न्यूमेरिकल जो है आपके बुक्स में उसको बनाना स्टार्ट करें, और कल हम लोग इस पे आगे का न्यूमेरिकल्स बनाएंगे अलग अलग टाइप का. थैंक यू.